Hello students, myself Professor Ankur. I welcome everyone for the GATE sum session on analog circuits. Today we are going to cover important sums from the topic of operational amplifier and its application. This is our fourth sum session on op-amp. Let's start with the session now. So this question is from the GATE 2014 EC paper. And the question is, in the circuitry shown, the op-amp has finite input impedance, infinite voltage gain, and zero input offset voltage. The output voltage Vout is option A, minus of I2 into R1 plus R2, option B, I2 R2, option C, I1 R2, and option D, minus of I1 into R1 plus R2. So this is a diagram given to us. There is an op-amp with I1 and I2 notified. The plus pin of the op-amp is connected to ground. At the minus pin, you can see the feedback resistance by the name R2 and R1 connected to the ground point. Now, the most important point we need to understand here is, since the plus pin of the op-amp is grounded, then automatically the minus pin of the op-amp will also be grounded. So because of this, the junction point of R1 and R2 will be at zero potential. Secondly, if you see the consider R1, for resistance R1, you can see the left end connected to the ground, and also the right end of the resistance R1 will be at zero potential. Implies there is no current flowing through R1. So it is as good as R1 is present or absent, it doesn't matter. So now if I apply a simple KCL at the V minus pin, we can get the solution. So we are going for the KCL at the V minus pin. You will get 0 minus V out by R2 plus I1 is equal to 0. So you will get the value of V out as I1 into R2. And also you can take I1 is equal to I2 as your input offset voltage is basically 0. Next question. This is GATE 2014 EC paper. So the question is, the amplifier in the figure has gain of minus 10 and input resistance of 50 kilo ohm. The value of Ri and Rf is, so there is a diagram here. You can see the value of Rf and Ri as unknown. V in is given, the plus pin is grounded, V out is your output pin. So for this, we need to understand a simple logic that this configuration is basically an inverting amplifier. So with the logic of inverting amplifier, the value of your gain is minus of Rf by Ri, and the data is given as gain is minus 10. So minus of Rf by Ri will be minus 10. Rf will be 10 times Ri. So this is the first thing. Secondly, if you observe, the input resistance of the circuitry is given as 50 kilo ohm. That is the input resistance Rin. So Rin is equal to Ri for the inverting amplifier. And that's the reason the value of Ri, which is basically 50 kilo ohm, then Rf value will be 10 times 50 kilo ohm, that will be 500 kilo ohm. So the answer is very simple. The value of your Ri resistor is going to be 50 kilo ohm, and the value of your Rf resistor will be 500 kilo ohm. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Ri 50 kilo ohm, Rf 500 kilo ohm. This is from the GATE 2013 EC paper. Let's have a look at the question. And the question is, in the circuitry shown below, op-amps are ideal. The V out in volt is. So if you can observe, there are two op-amps connected. Now, if you see the first op-amp carefully, at the plus pin of the op-amp, there is a 1 kilo ohm resistor followed by 1 volt. And at the minus pin of the op-amp, there is minus 2 volt The feedback resistance is 1 kilo ohm and another resistance on the input path is 1 kilo ohm. So now it is very simple to solve this, where you will find a first output where you will be considering one input at a time. So if you consider the minus 2 volt as an input, then time the plus 1 volt will be taken as 0 volt. And when you take plus 1 volt as an input, then the minus 2 point will be considered as 0. In either of the cases, you will find the op amp will either work as an inverting amplifier or a non-inverting amplifier. So when we start with the solution, the value of VO1, that is the output of the first amplifier, will be the input. So here, if you observe, when you consider plus 1 volt as an input, that time the minus 2 point will be grounded and the gain of the circuitry will be 1 plus RF by R1, where 1K by 1K will give me 1 and then plus 1 will give me 2. So it will be 2 into plus 1. Secondly, when I consider the minus 2 volt as an input, then the gain will be minus of 1K by 1K, which will be as good as your value. So eventually you will get the value as 1K by 1K with a minus sign. So it will be minus 1 into minus 2. So automatically the output will be plus 2. So overall, if you see the value of VO1, the value of VO1 will be 4 volt. Now this 4 volt is applied to the next op amp, which is basically again a non-inverting amplifier with the gain will be 1 plus RF by R1. So 1 plus 1 by 1 will be 2. So the gain of the circuitry will be 2. So 2 into 4, the value will come as 8 volt. So the correct answer for this question is V out is 8 volt. Answer is option C, 8 volt. Thank you.